Amidst the hustle and bustle of the real estate world, where fortunes are made and dreams are built, lies a timeless strategy wielded by those who navigate these waters with unmatched success. Buy low, sell high. A simple phrase that holds the key to unlocking real estate riches. Welcome back. Today we're embarking on a journey to uncover the art and science behind buying low. Join us as we reveal insider secrets, share inspiring success stories, and arm you with the strategies you need to find, evaluate, and transform underpriced properties into gold mines. Let's dive into the power of buying low. Decoding buy low. At its core, buying low is about more than just snatching up cheap properties. It's an artful pursuit of value, where savvy investors see potential where others see problems. But what makes a property undervalued, and how do we find these hidden treasures? Several factors can contribute to a property's undervalued status. Distressed sales where owners need to sell quickly often result in lower prices. Properties in areas just on the cusp of development are frequently overlooked and undervalued. And of course, market downturns create opportunities to buy premium properties at a fraction of their value. Recognizing these factors is your first step toward buying low. Timing is crucial. Understanding market cycles and keeping an eye on economic indicators can help you anticipate when the buy low opportunities are ripest. It's not just about finding a cheap property, it's about strategic acquisition at the right time. The magic of margin. Why does buying low stand at the heart of real estate success? The answer lies in the magic of the margin. The gap between your purchase price and the property's potential market value is where your profit resides. Let's break down why this margin is so crucial. Consider this. Buying a property at a lower price means you have more room to cover renovation costs and still turn a significant profit upon sale or rental. It's not just about the immediate savings, it's about the amplified potential for return on investment. Mastering the hunt for deals. Finding undervalued properties is akin to a treasure hunt. It requires a keen eye, patience, and sometimes a bit of ingenuity. Here's how you can develop a nose for these lucrative deals. In-depth market research. Dive deep into local real estate trends. Familiarize yourself with average prices, rental yields, and upcoming developments to recognize undervalued opportunities. Expand your network. Forge relationships with real estate agents, brokers, and other investors. Many deals happen off-market through word of mouth. Embrace the fixer-upper. Learn to see beyond surface flaws. Properties in need of repair often scare off buyers, but can offer fantastic margins after renovation. Let's take a closer look at Jordan, who leveraged a temporary market slump to acquire several properties below market value. With strategic renovations, these properties were transformed into high-return rentals, showcasing the power of buying low, navigating risks wisely. While the allure of buying low is undeniable, it's not without its pitfalls. From hidden repair costs to misjudging the market, risks abound. Here's how you can steer clear of common traps. Conduct comprehensive inspections. A thorough inspection can uncover potential issues that could turn your bargain into a money pit. Stay informed. Keep your finger on the pulse of the real estate market. Economic shifts can affect property values and rental demand. Plan your exit. Whether you're flipping or renting, having a clear exit strategy is essential. Know your market and your target audience to maximize your investment. Embarking on the journey of buying low is the first step toward unlocking the doors to real estate prosperity. With diligence, education, and a bit of daring, you too can build your legacy, one property at a time. Remember, the real estate market is vast, filled with opportunities for those willing to look a little deeper. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the power of buying low in real estate. Armed with these insights and strategies, you're better prepared to spot, evaluate, and capitalize on underpriced properties. Don't forget to subscribe for more wisdom from the Real Estate Sensei. Keep learning, keep investing, and let the market's currents guide you to success.